Russ and Ed, I wanted to ask both of you, where do you believe technology is going in the next 5 years? Ed, maybe you can start.
Well, I think it's probably two things. So much of the conversation is about data, is bringing together structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. We're moving away from sort of the pure data warehouse world to a world of all kinds of data lakes, data warehouses, many sources, data pipelines. Can you use machine learning to work with that data? So I think a lot of the conversation is about better exploitation of this. And of course, the other thing is cloud, not just adopting cloud, but accepting many kinds of cloud in one organization, especially very specialized cloud services that we've moved from simply horizontal services to vertical services and specialized services like a machine learning specific service or something specific to data pipelines, that there are now dozens of ready to go high quality services. And I think that organizations are going to have less and less custom software and more orchestration of all of these specialized services, because it's such great efficiency and cost benefits to be had by using all these services. So those are the two big trends I see, is the data and then sort of a variety of cloud services from more than one kind of cloud coming together and operating on all of this data.
Thanks, Ed. Russ, anything to add there?
Yeah, a couple of things. So I believe Ed is absolutely on point as far as the amount of data that's out there and machine learning. Those are a couple of things that I absolutely had in mind. A couple other things that spring to mind, I think, is going to be your edge computing, again, to make use of machine learning and data. Also coupled with an increased availability of communication. So as we see the technologies, 5G is becoming much more common. Satellite internet is on the cusp of becoming a mainstream item to be able to bring internet connectivity to the world in a much more equitable fashion. You couple that with cloud computing as well as edge computing operations, so that I could have a smart refrigerator that tells me what groceries that I need to buy, for example. I think you bring those to the table and you're starting to have a very interconnected world, and I believe that that's really where we're heading as a society and where technology is going to be leading us over the next several years.
Great, thank you.